Good morning.
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 Another day, another job. So we are doing a one bedroom. I think it's 3 bedroom condominium, but we're not taking everything. So we're just picking up some stuff from a 3 bedroom condominium, and then we are going to store them in some storage coming from Mississauga to Mississauga. So we'll speak to you later. Magandang umaga po.
Oh, that's my dad and my cousin.
Hello.
Ito po.
Okay. So itong mga gamit po na to,
Pati yan.
including the
Yes.
the Creo,
Yeah.
but not the bed.
No, not
Obviously
the bed.
not the bed. Okay,
My
so just
bed.
whatever that you have over there.
Yung
And
spill,
then
hindi na kailangan ang karton dyan.
ito po.
Yes.
Okay. And
And
then
Excuse me.
po.
Hindi may spill,
Po.
hindi na kailangan malagyan ng karton yan.
When we get sa baba po, we put a blanket to cover them. We will wrap it for you if you want.
Oo, mayroon.
Okay, okay. So we'll get to that. Don't worry po. Right now, she's showing me what you guys want done to show me again later on. But for now,
ito
okay.
and the bed.
And the bed is not dismantled yet. Okay.
Yeah, but this one here, she wants me to leave it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. This is okay. Okay. So what else pa po sa kusina?
Sa kusina wala.
Okay, wala po sa kusina. That's fine. No problem po. Don't worry po. Just tell me what itong mga to.
Yes.
Lahat ng mga
And
boxes.
the sofa,
Okay. And the sofa. Okay.
And this one and that one.
Oh, wow. That's
I know,
so
right?
basically 80% of your stuff.
Exactly.
Maybe 9. Yeah, about 75%. Yeah. Okay, so 10 let's start with 10 by 20 and then we'll see. Yeah.
We're gonna get some idea if they
Yes.
bigger than 10
Right,
by 20.
yeah. Kasi po ang biggest is 10 by 20 anyway. So
That's the biggest, I think.
yeah, 10 by 20 is the biggest, and then if kung hindi pa rin enough, then just get another maybe 5 by 10 or a 10 by 10. Yeah. Kasi yung regardless po, let's say kumuha kayo ng 10 by 10, hindi nagkasya, then you're gonna transfer to a 10 by 20. It's really good that you got a 10 by 20 kasi yun ang biggest.
Yes.
Ipahuli ang boxes para
Lahat po yan, it's all at the same time. Thank you. I'll be putting all the boxes first and then furniture's last. So when we get to the storage, it will be furniture's out first and then boxes. So then when we get to the storage, it's a lot easier and we save more time. Yeah, and yeah, one more. Yeah. Okay, only the bed left that we have to dismantle. Able to load everything. That's perfect. Here now, ready to unload. That's it for today. Let's lock it up. Okay.
Ano ito?
Yeah, tama yan, te. That's good, that's perfect. Yep, perfect. Okay, so we did what? 7 hours too. It's the same as, almost the same as yesterday.
Yeah.
From 10 to 5 o'clock. And guess what? We got a $200 tip again, so we're gonna split that up. That's like around 65, 70 bucks each. Lucky day for what? Today and yesterday.
Yeah.
Yep. So 2 lucky days. Alright guys, say bye.
Bye.
Thank you people, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye for now, stay safe.